How's it going, everybody? I am going up to get the combine, walking up right now. We got quite a bit of this field done. There's still a good couple of loads over there. You're probably wondering, why aren't we just finishing up this field? The corn that was in the high moisture corn unit from last year was a little on the wetter side. So we started up in this field, which, as you can see by the last video, was a little drier. And that way we wanted to put that in first, so as that auger goes around, it'll kind of mix in with last year's wetter corn. So I'm hopping in the 9500 right now. I'm going to take that back down the road to the farm, and then if the sun comes out today, it'd be nice to get back out there and get combining. The combine did a great job. Pretty happy with the way it's done. I mean, the cobs look good. They're smaller, but don't see too many kernels kicked out the back. So it did, you know, and the corn looked pretty clean, so it did a pretty good job. So I'm pretty happy with what the 9500 did. So I'm not going to be combining today. It's easier for my dad to do combine. He likes doing the combining. I actually like doing the trucking and the grain cart and everything, but it's easier for him to just sit in the combine. Whereas when I'm running the grain cart and doing the trucking, I got to get in and out, in and out, in and out. So I need to wash these windows. There was a little bit of dust from the last time. So let me start this up and warm it up, and we will head back down the road. Right now it's beeping at me that I gotta get the hydraulic pressure built up. So I'll sit here for a second and let this warm up. Get some more corn on the silo. there. I want to give a special shout out to one of my subscribers, Rick Perry. You've been a subscriber for a while, a fellow New Yorker. You messaged me the other day and said you were going in for back surgery. Actually, you messaged me today. I talked to you today and you said you were getting out. Surgery went well and you were getting out of the hospital. So Rick, thumbs up to you, thoughts and prayers. Hopefully you get a speedy recovery. Amanda, take care of him good. So it's looking pretty good. Running around 22%, which is perfect, right where we want it. Time to load up and get moving. So I've said in other videos, but just in case anyone's new, why does he empty into the grain cart instead of emptying into the truck? That being such a small truck, it's easier for me to fill it up with a grain cart because you got your auger that comes out and there is a door that goes over. That's what that white marker is that shows me how much the door is open. And I can use my hydraulics and close that door, and that'll adjust the flow of grain going in, and it's just easier so that way we don't spill any going into the truck. It's easier for him. He's got such a big target there. Just come up, unload. Move forward a little bit instead of yapping here. You know, I feel like we're going so slow because we're waiting on me. Every time I come down, he's waiting. But he's got this section all knocked out and he's just going down to that one. Which I kind of thought if we could get this wrapped up today and that field over there done tomorrow, then it's going to rain the next couple days. Then my cousin from New Jersey is going to come up and run the grain cart for me for the higher up one, which I'll need him on that one because that's the one that's got this big dip in it, and so I just park the truck and walk over. Now I won't have to walk, he'll just come over and load me up. So. So that's all set for the night. We got, like I said, we got the field over there, so he's gonna leave the combine here for the night. He's taking the 45, 55, the grain cart up. I'm gonna take the truck. There's still another load and a half on the cart, so he's gonna take it up top. So I'll just fill up top. Then tomorrow when we come down to start combining, he can just bring the tractor and grain cart down, and I'll just bring the truck down. So anyway, good day so far. The corn's looking really, really good. Time to get up to the silo and get more in there. My daughter's coming over to meet me and bringing my work light, my LED work light. Coming with me? So that's another good night in the books, or another good day in the books. Got that lower part just about cleared. Like I said, we have to jump over to the other field. So yeah, another good day of high moisture corn. One more good day tomorrow should about knock it out. So anyway, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Drop me a question or comment below. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you have, thumbs up to you, I totally appreciate it. Check out that t-shirt icon over my right hand shoulder for my P7810 merch. I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one, everybody.